Bro, God said we are, and please my fans them said we are, bro. Me still a tour, bro, God. That's what me I say. Me still a take care of me youth them, bro. You see what me I say? Me still a make sure, brother, me still a live a modest life, bro, God. You see what me I say? Girl still a me cocky in a wheelchair youth. You see what me I say? Just believe me. You understand what me I say? So guess I know nothing can't tap it, bro. You see what me I say? I just them a boy and me done see say youth. Instead of them set so boom and come together. We make it thing look real wicked, bro, G. Because I guess, remember, look how Afro take off on a different pace, bro, G. And you see, man, them a collab with them one another. Same like how you see Bumbo Clat, he rapper them. They don't like them one another and them a collab with them one another, bro. You see what me I say? But guess I know, no. Some of them are boy, I'm sure you about them a money in a dancehall, dog. They go on like dancehall tap of them foot or a one liquor thing. They make dancehall look like a liquor thing. More showing the example what me I talk about. Them boy make dancehall look like a liquor thing. Like, it's like I want drinks jug. And I'm gonna make sure say, yo, him can get as much of this a drink. Say, all the film cup full. Him gonna make sure say, yo, him drink some. Or he make film cup run over. Cause I don't want this I'm gonna forget none. Brother, go suck your mama, brother. Go suck your mama, daddy. That can't happen. Bro, dancehall bigger than that bumbo clock little jug of drinks the way you talk about youth. Or little cake there, brother, where you want yam off. And you feel like nobody no forget you want to do. Bro, I more than want somebody make the thing tough, youth. You see what me I say? More than want somebody make the thing tough. I'm telling you this. I want to know this. Brother, them a youth that study me a fuck like a book. I want to know that, daddy. From in every way. They study how Rygin King release music. Then study how Rygin King sing song. Study how Rygin King move. Study how Rygin King dress. Brother, man a trendsetter, brother. You see what me I say? We not talk about, we no business about gatekeeper. Cause I see somebody comment gatekeeper. We no business nothing about gatekeeper. Cause let me show you this. Gatekeeper never had nothing to do with my boss, you know. When me boss, you know, it was like a boomy bumbo clad fence. Cause we did done say fuck. I tell you when we reach in here, so then turn around and I look and I wonder say, oh, them, how we overpower them. How we reach in our room. You see what me I say? Bro God, me telling you this, daddy. Me dey out here I go and do what me have to do in the meantime. Said we are go and do my therapy and me have forward out with my album. And guess what? Brother, me not have to jump on some man case for the release nothing, daddy. When me I release nothing. Me not have to go and like say, alright, me go this 2 man I know and say, yo, me go release a song. Because me not do none of them style there, brother. You see what me I say? None of them the thing there, bro. Like, you see what me I say? Remember, bro. Bro, I'm telling you, some of you, I 100 man mind before you reach in a dog. No man never look for Rygin King and buy Rygin King a boat or a shows yet in a youth. So brother, with time when you get you to not go and do the dog and let's love the time them youth and brother somehow I don't understand how you know want jump a line and skip a line and go on like say dancehall. I want somebody something. Brother, I want to you know 30 youth kind of dancehall and the whole of we a eat and the whole of we a make the world know say yo a dancehall this. And nobody now fear say yo rare. You see me? Look, Jamaica littlest thing when it come on to bumbo clat, alright, one country. You see me? Look how the country liquor. And uno are most hated against one another, uno hate one another. Brother, in everything Jamaican hate them one another, brother. Brother, me not agree on no more while youth. Me all there some place more while and me telling them say dog more while me see all you go on some way and me I say January youth. I wanna make them a thing happen to you know. Make people feel like say yo, we are most outrageous or we go on some type of we are this and that and anything there. But guess what, brother? You see me, to each his own, bro. You see what me I say? I'm telling you, brother, I want to suck on the mother and left a bomb buckler bad mind thing alone, youth. You see me, because I remember I in a wheelchair and I never say one I want to hate and bad mind and I call and say, yo, dog, me I beg you no collab or me I beg you no strength, bumbo wall. You see me? I'm telling you that. We feel like say me no know say a pussy. No found that me no look for the dog. I mean, I want brother, look for my time, yo. Look for my time. Look for my time for me hand, daddy. That let me tell you this. I know, me tell you, you see me hold out until me can do what me can for my thing and suit my thing, bro. You see me? Remember, bro, me I do this so long, you know, bro. We are below some apartment and much sitting and we are do all kind of sitting, bro, G. I'm telling you, no like when bumbo clad people sensible. That's why I'm forward out and say dance. You see me? I when some of them pussy I realize that me too sensible, brother. I notice how they indeed me. They must say, no, they have to go run, go do some things quick. Because they must say, Rygin too sensible youth. You see me? The dog say dance, but the man a mafia. The man deal with the thing different. I say, I'm my style. I say, I'm my thing youth them watch, bro. You see me? You understand me? I say, bro, we don't have to elaborate for enough things right there. So as me a bum buckler say, you see me? Me all a job song tomorrow. I never forward to nobody yet and say, yo, Rygin. And I move like say we are this nobody and then thing there, bro. Because we are got job song and then thing there, bro. Everything I'm tell people like this Friday day. I tell the man them this Friday day, bro. I don't like the man them style. Anytime me say, you see bad fucking things are going or anything bad happen to the artist them, brother, me see you highlight that the most, bro. Me see you push that the most. You see what me I say? Right now, if the artist them let go on music, bro, God, me no see you push it like that, dog. You see me? Me no see you push it like that, bro. Me no see you push it like that, bro. You see what me I say? It's so, when me see I go on, me see I push some little fucker where I go on before, I say, yo, brother, you know the thing daddy and re. You see what I say? Yeah, dog. Cause I don't tell you already, you know. Yeah, dog. I'm buying now. Dancehall body's thing, no see nobody in this as a threat to me, you know. In a music, you know, where me would then say, yo, you know, my fellow peers them as a threat, you know. None of them are a threat to me, brother. You see me? I have them as youth when me rate. Some of them me rate them, some of them if they don't rate me, I don't rate them either. Same energy, you see me I say? Yeah, dog. If you don't rate me post one, I take back my ratings. So we even know.